Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys? I hope you all are fine. So as you can see today in this video, we'll be doing unboxing and review of Boult loop earphones. So this specialty of this earphone is that it has this loop, as you can see. So this loop is adjustable and it fits in your ear very properly, so that it gives you proper fitting. So we'll be doing this unboxing and review of this. So as you can see from the front, it looks like this. It has a Boult loop logo, and this is the earphone, as you can see. So from back side, you can see some details are there. So the original MRP of this is 1199, as you can see, but I have got it for 400 rupees from Amazon. So it was a good buy for me, so just thought of buying. So let's open the box now. So nothing much. Yeah, let me show you over here. So it has around like somewhat L-shaped connector, and it has 1 year warranty and some extra bass, and it has deep bass and 3D acoustics, and it has built-in mic and some built-in micro woofers. So let's see how it performs. It says good features, so let's unbox it now. So let me open it from here. So where's the earphones? Okay, so as you can see, you just get this thing and nothing in the box, I guess. Yeah, nothing. So just let me keep the box aside. So as you can see, this is the earphones, and you get some extra ear tips also over here. Yeah, and you get 2 extra ear tips and 1 clip, so that you can clip it in your shirt, t-shirt and all. So let me keep this thing aside. And so this is a earphone, as you can see. So looks good. The looks very good. And let me open and show you. Okay, I can open it from here. Oh, sorry guys, the ear tips has come out. Just let me insert it. Yeah, it has inserted. Let me remove it now. Starting they used to give some case and all, but now nothing. So no case and all. That's the negative thing of this. So as you can see, this is the loops. Looks very good. Just let me keep this thing aside, and let's see how is it. So this is a earphone, as you can see, and this is magnetic tip, as you can see guys. This is magnetics. Yeah, so it sticks like this, and this is the adjustable loop, so it can fit to any size of ears. That's really great. And the wire quality looks very good actually, and they say this is some Kevlar quality of material they have used, and doesn't look like it will get damaged very easily, because the wire quality is thick enough to bear the resistance. And as you can see, this is not totally L-shaped. You can see it is somewhat little bit different, which they say over here. As you can see, they say that it is L-shaped, but it is somewhat like this. So not good guys, this is, but okay for the price what you get. So just let me open and show you. So this is the, so you get so big earphones. This is the length of this. I don't know how much is the length, but I guess it should be around 1 meter, more than 1 meter. And this is the button. You get single button for play and pause, or for ending the call. And the microphone is over here, so that's good if you are getting microphone. As you can see, this is a microphone. And let's see the loops and all. So as you can see, this loops, it looks very good, and this can be adjustable. As you can see, I'm just putting up and down, so it will be good. And the ear tips looks really good, I guess. It is soft and looks comfortable to touch. Don't know how it will be after wearing it. I'll just test this out, and let's see in this thing what do we get. Just let me focus. So this is the clip which you are gonna get, plastic clip. Let me focus it. So as you can see, this is a clip and some extra ear tips of medium and small size and all. This is the large, I guess, and this is a small one, as you can see. So just let me keep inside this and let us look to the earphone itself. Yeah, so let's see the earphones. So the build looks really good, as you can see. The wire quality looks really good. Yeah, it can tangle. It's not tangle free. it can tangle, but the quality looks really good. It is very strong. And let's see the connector. And this connector is gold plated, as you can see. So it looks good. But this is not L shape, guys, as you can see, which they told it's not L shape. Some a little bit bent or nothing else. Yeah, and yeah, as you can see here, these are the earphones. Let me focus and show you. Yeah, now it's good, as you can see. Yeah, it looks good. Just let me play some song and show you how's the thing. So I have connected the earphones to the phone, and as you can see, I'll just play some song and see how's the quality. Just let me show you. I played. I hope you can hear. So as you heard that, I don't think so you have heard properly, I guess, because this is a phone. You can't see you can't hear the music properly. So I'll be testing this out and just see how's quality of this. And the ear tips looks really good, I think so. As you can see, the ear tips are soft, as you can see. So it looks good, and we'll be testing out this earphones and giving a review later. So initial impressions, it looks really good, and this is metallic, guys, I must say. This thing are metal, so that's good. And this kind of stick like that, it has magnetic thing. So as you can see, it's really good, so that you can just attach and keep whenever you go traveling anyways, so it'll be good. Yeah, so this was the initial impressions. So just let me remove this now. And the connector is also really good, guys. I guess it will go for a long time, not like the cheap ones, as you can see. Yeah, so this was all for the video for now. Yeah, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and let us know if you have any doubts in the comment section. So this is all for the video now. So thank you, guys. Take care and bye bye.